Hello everyone, this is Addie and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a healthy pancake recipe. These pancakes are gluten-free, they're whole grain, and they're made with bananas as well, so we're adding in a nice fruit element. Pancakes are typically laden with sugar and fat. Today, the only sugar that we're using is going to come from those bananas, so those bananas are naturally sweet. The flour that we're using is going to be an oat flour. So these are made with rolled oats or instant oats. You can grind them up in a food processor. It's really easy. Or you can buy them pre-ground. So you can get oat flour at the grocery store as well. So let's take a look at our ingredients. For our dry ingredients, you're going to need 1 3/4 cups of oat flour. And we have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And over here we have our wet elements, so we're going to have 1 ripe banana, we'll mash that up, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then we're going to have our 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, as well as 1 cup of milk of your choice. I'm going with almond milk. So we'll start by adding the dry elements together. And we'll mix that all up. So we're going to use a fork to mash the banana. So once mashed, this is the consistency that we're looking for in our banana. Next, I have added our 2 eggs to the banana. Next, we're going to slowly add our wet to our dry. So you don't want to over mix. So now we're just going to let this sit for 5 minutes. That way it'll thicken. Okay, now that we've let the mixture rest for 5 minutes or so, I'm going to spray the pan. Again, make sure that it's an olive oil base, not a canola oil base. So we'll spray that pan. And turn on the heat. If you have a griddle, that's even better, but I don't have a griddle, so I'm using a pan. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup to scoop and just pour it straight on the pan. And when you flip it over, it should have some golden edges.